Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today we will learn another new eye makeup with the color mauve and silver. So basically, firstly I'm taking the mauve color and applying it to the outer edges of the eye in the direction of V with the help of smudge brush. As you can see, now taken the blending brush to blending this eyeshadow. If you want to see the color I have taken from the palette Pretty All Set UCANBE, you can reverse the video or taken the screenshot. Now blending it in inward direction or in circular movement, as you can see. Now using the big blending brush to blend this product. Now with the help of flat applicator, applying the silver color of pressed glitter eyeshadow from the palette. Now taking the two-way gel from the brand Miss Claire. After application, depositing the pearl powder in the color white. Merging out all the crease line. Now applying the gel liner from the brand Forever 52 with shade number GT001 and the liner brush. Applying it in a way you see in the video. Now smudging it with the help of smudge brush. Now here is the look after lashes. Going to do the under eye. For this, taken the liner brush and applying the gel liner over the lower lash line of the eye. And after this, going to do the under eye smudging with the help of smudge brush. And the color, I have taken the same color in the outer corner of the eye. Now applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye, completing the look. Here it is. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing. And if you have any query, directly comment in the comment section.